Hello children. In this video we are going to see combinations and we are going to do exercise 7.4. Let's assume that there is a group of 3 lawn tennis players X, Y, Z consisting of 2 players is to be formed. That is a team of 2 players. In how many ways a team can be formed with 2 players? So is a team of X and Y different from the team of Y and X? So X and Y, which is same like Y and X. There are 3 possible ways in which the team could be constructed. So XY, YZ and XZ. Then each selection, which is called a combination of 3 different objects taken 2 at a time. So the order is not important. XY and YX are same. YZ and ZX are same. Each selection, which is called a combination of 3 different objects taken 2 at a time. Suppose we have 4 different objects A, B, C and D. We have to take 2 at a time to make combinations. So the combinations will be AB, AC, AD, then BC, BD, then CD. AB and BA are the same combination. Order does not alter the combinations. So there are as many 6 combinations can be formed from 4 different objects taken 2 at a time. So we can write this as 4 objects taken 2 at a time, which is NCR. N is 4 objects, the number of objects, and R is the number of objects taken at a time. So this can be written as 4 into C2. So we get 6 combinations taken 2 at a time from 4 different objects. So we have a 2 factorial permutation as 2 objects in each combination can be arranged in 2 factorial ways. So number of permutation is 4C2 into 2 factorial. So number of permutations of 4 different things taken 2 at a time. Therefore 4P2, which is equal to 4C2 into 2 factorial. So otherwise we can write this as 4 factorial by 4 minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial, which is 4C2. So using the formula NPR, which is n factorial by n minus r factorial. So this is like 4P2 is 4 factorial by 4 minus 2 factorial, which is equal to 4C2 into 2 factorial. So this factorial, 2 factorial comes here. So 4C2 is 4 factorial by 2 factorial into 4 minus 2 factorial, which is NCR into R factorial equal to NPR. So NCR is NPR by n factorial. So NPR is n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So total number of permutations of n things taken r at a time, which is NCR into r factorial. So NPR equal to NCR into r factorial. So we can write this NCR, which is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. as R objects in every combination can be rearranged in R factorial ways. So properties of combination, we have NPR, which is equal to NCR into R factorial. NPR is n factorial by n minus R factorial, which is equal to NCR into R factorial, which is n factorial by n minus R factorial into R factorial, which is NCR. So combination formula. If R equal to n, if R equal to n, then we write this as NCN, which is n factorial by n minus n factorial, which is 0 factorial, into R is n factorial. So n factorial. This will cancel. 1 by 0 factorial. 0 factorial is 1. So 1 by 1 is 1. So second one is NC naught equal to 1. That is the number of combinations of n different things taken nothing at all at a time is considered to be 1. Counting combinations is merely counting the number of ways in which some or all objects taken at a time which are selected. So we can define NC naught is 1. Then third one is as n factorial by 0 factorial into n minus 0 factorial. So using the formula, R is 0. So n factorial by 0 factorial into n minus 0 factorial, which is equal to n factorial and n factorial will get cancelled. So 1 by 0 factorial is 1. So 1 by 1 is 1, which is equal to NC naught. So this formula is applicable for R equal to 0. So we have NCR is n factorial by R factorial into n minus R factorial, where R lies between 0 and n. So next one is NC n minus R. So using the formula NC n minus R, which is n factorial whole by n minus R factorial. R is n minus R. Then n minus of n minus R factorial, which is equal to n factorial by n minus R factorial. So this will cancel, then minus into minus R plus R into R factorial, which is NCR. So therefore NC n minus R, which is equal to NCR. That is selecting R objects out of n objects. Fifth one, NCA, which is equal to NCB, which is A equal to B or A equal to n minus B, which is nothing but A plus B equal to n. Either one is satisfied. So we have seen 5 properties. The first one is NCN, which is equal to 1. Then NC naught is 1. Then NCR is n factorial by R factorial into n minus R factorial. Then NC n minus R equal to NCR. Then NCA equal to NCB. So either A equal to B or A plus B equal to n. So let's see exercise 7.4. Exercise 7.4, first question. If NC8, which is equal to NC2, then find NC2. Using the property NCA equal to NCB, either A equal to B or A plus B equal to n. So NC8 equal to NC2, we are using A plus B equal to n. So 8 plus 2 equal to n. We have n equal to 10. Then we need to find NC2. So 10C2, which is 10 factorial by 10 minus R factorial. Here n is 10, R is 2. Using this formula, NCR equal to n factorial by n minus R factorial into R factorial. So 10 factorial into 10 minus 2, which is 8 factorial, into r factorial. R is 2, so just 2 factorial. So we can write this as 10 into 9 into 8 factorial. 8 factorial into 2 into 1. We have stopped till 8 factorial so that we can cancel these two. So 10 into 9 by 2. So 2 and 10 will get cancelled by 5. Then 5 into 9, 45. So NC2, that is 10C2 is 45. So second one, determine n if 2nC3 is to nC3, which is equal to 12 is to 1. So we write the ratios as 2nC3 by nC3, which is equal to 12 by 1. So using this formula, 2n factorial by n minus r. So 2n minus 3 factorial. N is 2n, r is 3. So 2n minus 3 whole factorial into 3 factorial whole by nC3. So n factorial by n minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial. It is equal to 12 by 1. So we can cancel 3 factorial. 2n factorial, we can write it as 2n into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2 into 2n minus 3 factorial whole by 2n minus 3 factorial by n factorial. We can write it as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 factorial by n minus 3 factorial. So these three will get cancelled, this will get cancelled. So we have, it is equal to 12 by 1. Now we have 2n into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2 by n into n minus 1 into n minus 2. Cancelling n, which is equal to 12 by 1. From here we can take 2 common, so that this will become n minus 1 into 2. We can cancel n minus 1. So we get 2 into 2n minus 1 by n minus 2, which is equal to 12 by 1. Multiplying this, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8n minus 4 by n minus 2, which is equal to 12 by 1. So cross multiplying this, we get 8n minus 4 equal to 12 into n minus 2. So 12n minus 24. So 12n minus 8n. Just transposing this, we get 4n minus 24 plus 4 equal to 0. So 4n equal to 20, then n equal to 5. Third question, how many chords can be drawn through 21 points on a circle? So on a circle, if we have 21 points, P1, P2, P3, etc., P21. So we have to draw a chord using 2 points on a circle. So we are taking 2 at a time to draw a chord. So suppose we are joining P21 and P2. So one chord. Then let's take P15. So P1 and P15. So 2 points to make a chord from 21 points on a circle. So n is 21 and we have to select 2 points to make a chord. So R is 2. So pair of points which make a chord from 21 objects. So n is 21 and R is 2. Here order is not important. Either you can join from P2 to P21 or P21 to P2. So order is not important, then we can use NCR. If order is not important, we can use NCR. If order is important, we have to use NPR. Here order is not important. Either P2 to P21 or P21 to P2. We can draw a chord. So n is 21, r is 2. Using this formula, NCR equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial, which is 21 factorial by 21 minus 2, 19 factorial into 2 factorial. So I can write 21 factorial as 21 into 20 into 19 factorial by 19 factorial into 2 factorial, cancelling these two. So 2 factorial is 2 into 1. So 2 and 20 will cancel to 10. So 21 into 10, which is 210 combinations. There are 210 combinations to make a chord.